Hi everyone, today I'm gonna talk about strangeness and how it is concerned. I am given the task to determine if the strangeness on the following decays and reactions are conserved. Number 1. Kappa plus individually decays to a mu1 plus and a mu1 neutrino. Strangeness number in kappa plus is 1. In the mu1 is 0 and the mu neutrino is 0. In the reactant side, it has a total strangeness of 1. In the product side, it has a total strangeness of 0. Therefore, strangeness is not conserved. Number 2. A neutron and a kappa plus particle decays to a proton and a pion 0. The strangeness of neutron is 0 and the kappa plus has 1. The proton has a strangeness of 0 and the pion has a strangeness of 0. The total strangeness in the reactant side is 1 and in the product side is 0. 1 is not equal to 0, therefore, strangeness is not conserved. Number 3. Kappa plus and kappa minus particle decays to a 2 pion 0 particle. The strangeness number of kappa plus is 1 and the strangeness number of kappa minus is -1. Both pion zeros have strangeness number of 0. 1 plus -1 is equal to 0 in the reactant side. In the product side, the total strangeness is 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to 0. The strangeness is conserved. In the last decay, proton and a kappa minus decays to a lambda 0 and a pion 0. The strangeness number of proton is 0. The kappa minus has -1. The lambda 0 has a -1 strangeness number. And the pion 0 has 0 strangeness number. The total strangeness in the reactant side is -1 and the total strangeness in the product side is -1. -1 is equal to -1. So, strangeness is conserved. There you have it.